Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can read and understand human emotions with the same sophistication as a trained psychologist. This is not just a futuristic dream, it is a rapidly evolving reality. The potential for AI to detect and interpret emotional cues through facial expressions, vocal tones, and even physiological signals could revolutionize numerous fields, fundamentally transforming how we interact with technology and each other. In customer service, for instance, AI systems equipped with emotional recognition capabilities could significantly enhance user experiences. Picture a chatbot that not only answers queries but also gauges the frustration level of a customer through their voice modulation. By recognizing when a customer feels upset, the AI could escalate the interaction to a human representative or modify its approach to provide reassurance. This tailored service experience could result in higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately benefiting businesses in a competitive market. The mental health sector could see even more profound benefits from AI's emotional understanding. Imagine virtual therapy sessions where AI can adapt its responses based on real-time emotional analysis. By identifying signs of distress or anxiety, virtual therapists could provide immediate, personalized interventions. This could also bridge gaps for those who may have trouble accessing traditional mental health services, making support more universally available. As a result, people could receive timely care that responds to their individual emotional states. In personal relationships, AI that understands emotions could offer insights and tools for better communication. For example, smart home devices might analyze moods and suggest activities or conversations that could improve household dynamics. If an individual is feeling down, an AI could recommend uplifting music or suggest a comforting dialogue. By acting as an emotional companion, AI would not only enhance interpersonal connections but could also foster emotional intelligence and empathy among people. While the possibilities are exciting, there are significant ethical and privacy considerations as well. The ability of AI to analyze human emotions poses questions about data security and the potential for misuse. Maintaining transparency about how emotional data is collected, used, and protected will be pivotal to ensuring public trust and acceptance. As we move forward, it is crucial to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and safeguarding the emotional well-being of individuals. In conclusion, AI's ability to read and respond to human emotions holds great promise across various sectors. From elevating customer service experiences to transforming mental health support and enhancing personal relationships, the implications are vast. However, our pursuit of these advancements must be accompanied by ethical vigilance to ensure that we respect individual privacy and promote positive societal impacts. As we continue to explore these possibilities, we stand on the brink of a future where technology and human emotion coexist harmoniously.